Japanese woodworking is world-renowned for its precision, simplicity, and timeless craftsmanship. Today, we're diving into 12 essential Japanese tools that can transform your woodworking projects. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned craftsman, these tools bring unmatched quality and tradition right into your workshop. Let's get started. Number 1. Kakuri bar clamps, Hatagane. When working with wood, keeping pieces steady is just as important as cutting or shaping them. The Kakuri Hatagane bar clamps are a traditional Japanese solution for this. Unlike bulky Western-style clamps, these are slim and lightweight, which means they don't get in the way while you're sawing, planing, or gluing boards together. Their design allows you to hold multiple pieces firmly in parallel, making them especially useful for joinery or when you need consistent pressure across a surface. Made from brass, they resist rust and are gentle on the wood, so you don't end up with scratches or dents. Each clamp is compact, about 12 inches long, and easy to position even in tight spaces. Japanese craftsmen have relied on this style for generations, and it's a great example of how simple, well-thought-out tools can make woodworking more precise and enjoyable. Number 2. Kakuri Japanese Carpenter Hammer Geno. The Geno hammer is one of the most recognizable tools in Japanese woodworking. Unlike a typical Western hammer, it's designed with balance and subtlety in mind. The head has two faces, one flat, the other slightly domed. This dual design lets you start a nail with the flat side, then finish with the domed side so the wood surface isn't marred. Beyond nailing, the Geno is often used to adjust planes or strike chisels with controlled force. The head is made from Japanese carbon steel, securely wedged into a natural oak handle that feels solid yet comfortable in the hand. At about 300 grams, it's heavy enough to deliver power but light enough for precision work. Craftsmen value it because it embodies the Japanese approach to tools, durable, efficient, and respectful of the material being worked. It's a hammer that encourages accuracy rather than brute strength. Number 3. Hurricane 8 Pieces Wood Lathe Chisel Set. Wood turning is one of those woodworking skills that blends artistry with technique, and having the right chisels makes all the difference. The Hurricane 8-piece lathe chisel set is designed to cover nearly every turning task you'll encounter. It includes essentials like a parting tool, skew chisels, spindle gouge, bowl gouge, and scrapers, each with a blade length of about 6 inches. Made from high-speed steel, these chisels hold their edge far longer than standard carbon steel, which means less time sharpening and more time shaping. The handles are crafted from hardwood with brass ferrules, giving them both strength and a comfortable grip. Whether you're roughing out a spindle or adding fine detail to a decorative piece, the variety in this set allows for precision and control. Stored neatly in a wooden case, the set is practical for both beginners learning the craft and experienced turners refining their skills. Number 4. Kakuri Japanese Wood Chisel Set. Chisels are one of the most important tools in woodworking. The Japanese-style chisel, called warnomi, is known for its sharpness and control. This set includes 3 chisels with different blade widths, 9 mm, 15 mm, and 24 mm. These sizes cover many common tasks such as carving, making dovetail joints, mortising, and creating fine lattice work. The blades are made from hard carbon steel combined with softer iron. This design makes them very sharp but also easier to sharpen on a whetstone. The back of each blade is hollow, and the sides are slightly angled. This helps reduce friction so the chisel cuts smoothly, with less effort. The handles are made from strong Japanese red oak. They are longer than usual, which gives a comfortable grip and better control when tapping with a hammer. These chisels are handmade in Japan and built to last. Number 5. Hand planer wood planer. Few tools capture the spirit of woodworking like the hand plane. This tool is used to smooth surfaces, trim edges, and bring wood to its final shape. The body of the plane is made from a solid casting, which gives it strength and stability. The blade is cut from thick steel and ground flat, so it stays sharp and resists chatter while you work. With this design, You can shave thin layers of wood with accuracy and confidence. The handle is shaped to fit comfortably in the hand, allowing better control during long sessions. A hand plane is often used for tasks like trimming doors, flattening boards, or giving a polished finish to a project. Simple in appearance, but powerful in use, it connects you directly to the tradition of woodworking, where skill and patience create smooth, precise results. Number 6. Kakuri Japanese Pull Saw Set. Japanese pull saws are famous for their ability to cut cleanly with less effort. The Kakuri pull saw set includes 4 different blades: a universal cut blade, a semi-fine cut blade, a rough cut blade, and a small keyhole saw. With this range, you can handle almost any woodworking task, from crosscuts and rip cuts to fine joinery and detailed openings. The blades are single-edged and interchangeable. A quick change system lets you swap them easily without tools, so you can move from hardwood to softwood or from rough work to delicate finishing in seconds. Each blade is held securely, giving stability and accuracy while cutting. The handle is made from Japanese red oak with an oil finish, which feels smooth and comfortable in the hand. The set also comes with a heavy canvas case to store the handle and blades safely, making it practical for both workshop use and transport. Number 7. Kakuri Chamfer Plane. A chamfer plane is a small but very useful tool in woodworking. It is designed to cut clean 45-degree bevels along the edges of wood. The Kakuri chamfer plane makes this process simple and repeatable. An adjustable guide lets you set the exact width of the chamfer, so you can run the plane multiple times and get the same result every time. The sole of the plane has a brass wear strip that protects it from abrasion and keeps the mouth accurate over long use. The blade is set at a slight angle, or skew, which slices the wood fibers instead of tearing them. This helps when working across the grain or on end grain. The blade itself is made from sharp Japanese carbon steel with a chip breaker, giving crisp and clean bevels. With its oak body and brass details, this tool combines durability with precision. Number 8. Suzen Ryoba Double-Edged Saw. The Ryoba saw is one of the most versatile tools in Japanese woodworking. Unlike Western push saws, which cut when you push forward, Japanese saws cut on the pull stroke. This design makes them lighter, easier to control, and capable of producing cleaner edges with less effort. The Suzen Ryoba has 2 cutting edges on a single blade. One side is made for rip cuts along the grain, while the other side is for cross cuts across the grain. This means you can handle a wide range of tasks without switching tools. The blade is crafted from high-quality Japanese steel, giving it razor sharpness and durability. At about 9.5 inches long, with a thin blade and fine teeth, it delivers precise cuts while keeping kerf with minimal. Handmade in Japan by skilled craftsmen, the Ryoba saw reflects a tradition of over a century of toolmaking excellence. Number 9. Kakuri Nail Punch Tool. In woodworking, sometimes nails need to be set below the surface of the wood, or driven into places where a hammer cannot reach. The Kakuri nail punch, known in Japan as kyujishime, is made for exactly this purpose. It allows you to recess nail heads cleanly so the surface can be filled and finished without marks. This punch has 2 working ends, giving flexibility when working in tight or narrow spaces. The striking head is larger than most nail punches, which makes it easier to hit accurately and reduces the chance of slipping with a hammer. Forged from durable Japanese carbon steel, it is built to last and withstand repeated use. Compact in size but strong in design, the nail punch is one of those small tools that makes a big difference in achieving neat, professional results in carpentry and furniture making. Number 10. Japanese Pull Saw Mini Keyhole Saw. The Japanese mini keyhole saw is a specialized tool designed for cutting openings and working in tight spaces. It is especially useful for tasks like making holes for electrical outlets, ventilation boxes, or shaping plasterboard and plywood. The blade is double-edged, with coarse teeth on one side for fast cutting and fine teeth on the other for more precise work. This makes it versatile enough to handle both rough shaping and delicate finishing. The blade is made from sharp Japanese carbon steel, finely ground to hold its edge and deliver smooth cuts. At just under 5 inches long, it is compact and easy to maneuver, even in confined areas. The handle is made from natural wood, rounded for comfort, and it gradually molds to the hand with use. Small in size but highly effective, this keyhole saw is a practical addition for detailed woodworking and construction tasks. Number 11. Kakuri Router Plane. The Kakuri router plane is a traditional Japanese tool designed for cutting grooves and dados with precision. In Japan, it is often used to make the narrow channels needed for sliding shoji doors, but it is equally useful for furniture building and joinery. The blade is made from sharp Japanese carbon steel, giving smooth and accurate cuts. It comes ready to use after a simple adjustment, and its durability means it will hold an edge through repeated work. Unlike Western planes that are pushed forward, this router plane is pulled toward the user. That design provides more control and reduces effort, especially when working with harder woods. Compact and lightweight, at about 7 inches long, it can be operated comfortably with one hand. The body is crafted from white oak, combining strength with a natural feel. This tool shows how Japanese design balances simplicity with precise craftsmanship. Number 12. Japanese Carpenter Hammer with Nail Set Punch Sakakiri. The Sakakiri hammer is a traditional Japanese tool designed for driving nails with precision. Its heavy steel head is well balanced, allowing nails to be set quickly and efficiently. What makes this hammer unique is the pointed face on one side of the head. This feature is used for the final strikes on finished nails, sinking them neatly below the surface without damaging the surrounding wood. It can also serve as a tack hammer or for making small marks when laying out work. The handle is made from strong Japanese oak. Its tapered shape gives a secure grip and makes the hammer comfortable to control during repeated use. Crafted by skilled artisans with more than a century of hammer-making tradition, the Sakakiri combines durability with refined design. It is a tool that reflects Japanese quality and attention to detail, built for both everyday carpentry and fine woodworking.